Ooh, I kind of love this color combo. Every time you pre-game your outfits, you're bound to wind up with more time in the morning. Step one, get your head in the game. Now, that means two things. One, you gotta get ready to spend your Sunday afternoon in your closet trying to figure out what you're gonna wear. But number two, this is a great opportunity to accept where you are. Don't try on clothes that are too small. Don't try on clothes that are too big. Stay with the clothes in your wardrobe that fit you at the moment. Never forget, make the clothes work for you. You don't work for them, and project the image that you want. Now remember, we're all grown-ups here. So no stains, no rips, no missing buttons. Power move on a Monday. I know I've got a big meeting with my boss. Okay, 5-day. Do your research before you go into your closet, which means checking your schedule for the week and seeing not only what occasions you have, but also maybe check the weather. You're gonna wanna know how to be prepared best. We go into Tuesday, cashmere tights instead of regular tights to keep me a little bit warmer. I also want you to think about those extras. Are you gonna be able to go home before you have to go to your event after work, or do you need to go straight from work? Step three, now that you know your schedule, you're gonna choose your clothes with conviction and direction. I always like to think of my weeks as a new way to find inspiration, and that means I'm either looking in magazines for photos or outfits that really inspire me. I look on Pinterest or Instagram for color palettes that I like. Look at that color palette I love. That may be something that I go and I use in my closet this week. Wednesday, I have a dinner party, and it's for work. Now, from week to week, if you continue to do this on Sundays, you may notice that there are certain things that never make it into circulation. Well, those are the things that after a while you should just take out, donate or sell. When you start building your outfit, you want to start with your basics, right? What is the one thing that everything else is going to surround? Whether it's a dress, a trouser, whatever it is that catches your eye that you want to start with, that's the main ingredient, and everything else is going to be seasoning. So Thursday, after work, I got a date with Jim. If you understand what your week is looking like, and especially if you're expecting extreme weather, well, layer, 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 right? Ideally, that means that you can take pieces off if you get hot, and you'll have extra pieces in case you get cold. And remember, if you have an office that you go to every day, you can always keep supplies there. An extra cardigan, maybe a scarf, always an extra pair of shoes. Things like metallic scarves that you can keep in the office will definitely take any day outfit from day to evening. Statement jewelry is a must. This stuff really creates a new mood for an outfit. Friday is my wild card. I don't know where I'm gonna wind up after work. Once you've got your outfit together, including accessories, put them all together on one hanger. Do it day by day, Monday through Friday, and all the lights could be off and you'll still find your Monday outfit at 6 a.m. I believe in creating a go bag. This is something that I think you should make a portable one of to keep in your bag, a little bit smaller, and then one to keep in your office. Static guard, wrinkle releaser, lint brush, fashion tape, shoehorn, CBD cream when your feet hurt from high heels, safety pins, and a mint. All of these items are gonna keep your outfit looking its absolute best. Use this as my work bag. Things like baggy bags are great for taking clutches, extra shoes, and jewelry to the office that you can change into before you go to your event. And you can take that baggy bag and actually put it in your back pocket or actually fold it into your clutch. Where'd the backpack go? So that's your wardrobe prep. I hope your meal prep went just as well and you didn't burn anything while you were making outfits.